Okay, this is a speed run test with brushed Titan motors and a modified clod buster. Not going to be earth shattering, but it's going to be on 6S with a IMHO Pro. GPS is all reset. The Titan motors out of an e-maxx, they're kind of old. New ones would be a little faster. Still. And here we go. And with a little oil on tired old motors, we managed to get a whopping 20 miles an hour, which is an improvement from the last run after oiling the bearings, because 19 was so close and I wanted 20. Not really a speed demon compared to what I've built before, but not too bad. A lot more dependable in some ways.